Wow, and there are some storms moving in from the Pacific Ocean, but apparently we're not going to see much from them.
All we're going to do is get a little glancing blow as these storms, and I'll show you how the computer models are taking these storms from the Pacific Northwest and then plunging them down into the southwestern part of the country. But folks, right now we're also watching another line of thunderstorms that's developing along right the central into the southern plains states, and you can see some snow that's starting to develop out there over Colorado as well. That is the storm that generated all that wind for us yesterday. It's going to be a different beast as it moves out into the central plains, and they're gearing up for the possibility of severe weather out there. Now here in the Treasure Valley, we're sitting very, very dry across much of Oregon. It's going to be a nice evening, but you see that's the next storm that's already moving into the west coast. All we're seeing here is just a few clouds, a couple of isolated mountain showers, but boy, we've been enjoying a lot of sunshine today. It was a little breezy this morning, but as the day progressed, the winds managed to taper off, and now it's just a fairly nice, comfortable breeze out there. 64 degrees was the high temperature today. There's the average of 65, and thank goodness there's the record we did not achieve of 92 degrees set back in 1898. So it really can get very, very toasty this time of the year. So right now the state of Idaho is in between storms. We have the one system that's moving out here into the Front Range. Here's the high pressure and the dry weather that's impacting us right now. Here comes the next storm, and yet another area of low pressure is developing behind that. However, as I told you yesterday, even though this is a fairly active pattern, you've got to look and see where the actual low pressure systems themselves are going. And they're going from the northwest down into Northern California and then down into the southwest. So storms are going to be favoring the south. I think we get some of the cloud cover, maybe a couple of little passing sprinkles every now and then, maybe a little mountain shower activity, but not much more than that is expected. And the good news is that all of this is out of here as we approach the weekend. High pressure builds in, and the weekend is looking really, really nice. So computer models, here's tomorrow morning. In the morning, you see a couple of mountain showers here in the Treasure Valley, probably increasing clouds with the core of the storm out here along the west coast. Let's watch as I advance this to tomorrow afternoon. There goes the low down into central California. All we get is some of the outer fringe moisture. And then looking ahead toward Wednesday, there goes the low across the desert southwest. And again, just a mixture of sunshine and clouds with maybe a couple of mountain sprinkles, and that's about it. But that sets the stage for the high pressure to move in, and with that, here comes the sunshine that sticks around on Friday, Saturday, Sunday into the first, maybe even the middle of next week. So let's go with mostly cloudy skies tomorrow, a few sprinkles possible, a little more sunshine on Thursday, but beautiful sunshine commencing as we start the weekend with highs this weekend, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. The mountains will see a few showers tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies Thursday, a mix of clouds and sun on Friday, but it looks great up in the mountains on Saturday, Sunday, into Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, the storms are going to be coming close, but again, they're heading and favoring the southwest, typical of an El Nino pattern.
So tomorrow likely we'll be saying close but no cigar.
Exactly. That's a good way to put it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.